Hey guys, it's Ethan. I was looking through my videos that I not recently uploaded, but uploaded in total, and I realized that my eraser video is actually kind of out of date. So I'm going to show you a new video. I'm going to be using different software, and I'm going to do a better job of actually describing what you're supposed to do with it. First, you're going to want to open up your, browser, and then you're going to search East Tech Eraser. Now, the problem with this is that it's not free like Eraser, which I used in another video. But you can use the 15-day trial, and it's also a lot more secure than Eraser, or at least it is in my opinion. I'm just going to go to the CNET page instead of the official homepage, just because I like CNET. I'll probably put the link in the description. If I don't, then just ask for it, and I'll give it to you. Anyway, just download it right here and go through the installation process. Hopefully you know how to do that. If you don't, then message me and I'll walk you through it. Once you're done with the installation process, you just find the application, run it as soon as it wants to come up. Going kind of slow today. Alright, now this is the main page. There's a couple tabs on the side that say Privacy Guard, Erase Deleted Data, Add Files and Folders, and Erase Files and Folders. Now say if you just want to delete a certain file, you click on Add Files or Add Files and Folders, and then you click on the one that says Add Files if it's just a file. If you want to add a folder, then click on Add Folder. Now you go find wherever the file is that you want to delete. I am just going to delete some random picture on my desktop. Let me find it. There it is. Alright. And then after you get all the files and folders that you want in here, you need to click on this bar and choose your security setting. The most high security setting is Gutman 32 passes. The problem with Gutman 32 passes is that it takes a long time to delete your certain file, depending on the size. I mean, this is just a picture, so it's probably not going to take that long. But it's going to be more secure. But you could scroll it all the way down to the left side of it if you want a quicker erase, but it's less secure. I always have it on Gutman 32 passes. Just, I'd rather have secure than, time. And after it finds, all the files that you put into the list, you have to click Continue. And it's gonna erase it. You can see the progress bar here, and it's actually going slower than I thought it would. Oh well. And now it's gone. And what Gutman 32 passes does, or what any of these eraser settings do, it erases the file, and how it does that is it overwrites it a certain amount of times with a certain algorithm, and the more times it wipes over it or passes it, it makes it harder for whoever's trying to view the file to view it or recover it. And like I said earlier, one pass, it's going to be quick, but it's going to be a lot less secure than Gutman's 32. Some other features that this software has is erase deleted data. And this right here, you can either destroy all the files from the recycle bin, and that will make it so anything, once you delete something, it automatically goes to the recycling bin, and you can just leave that one checked and nothing else if you just want to delete the stuff inside the recycling bin. And it doesn't just delete it, it erases it, so depending on, what setting you have it on. Or you could click on the eliminate the deleted information on the following drives, and then choose the drives that you want it to, erase. And what that means is that when you just delete something, like right click and then you choose delete, all it does is say to your computer that this part of the hard drive can be overwritten. It doesn't actually delete it until, it overwrites it. The more times it's overwritten, the harder it is to get the file back and recover it. So if you don't want something viewed from someone, you want to erase it like this. And there's some options down here, like wipe the free unused disk space is what I was talking about earlier, which is like everything that you delete, it like overwrites that. It won't erase anything that you actually have on here, only stuff that you've already deleted. I'm not sure what the wipe the slack of existing files is. I know it's more secure, but that's about it. Scramble deleted files and folder properties like name and date. That just makes it harder for whoever's trying to find that file to find it. So in this scramble system transaction log, I think what that means is that every time when you like open an application or play a song, it's like listed on your system somewhere that you played it or watched it or opened that application. And what this does is it deletes that so that no one knows what you opened or played or whatever. Anyway, after you chose all the settings you would want to do, you would click next, start, yes, and then it would find all the files that it needs to delete. I'm not going to do it because it takes way too long for this video. I think one time I did Gutman32 on my entire hard drive, and it took over 100 hours to finish, and I have a 640 gigabyte hard drive, so you do the math with your hard drive. But anyway, this software is a lot more secure than my other video software. I'll put a link at the end of the video so you can see that video too if you wanna. But this one is, it's safer, but you have to pay. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you next time.